Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to show you another 3 altcoins analysis and the targets. Let's dive in. All right, guys, like previous videos, so this is not a signal, so this is not advices, and don't pay attention too much for the name and the title of this video and the thumbnail, right? So guys, it's just for YouTube algorithm. I never provided any advices, any suggestions, any signals, never share some VIP premium paid free groups, guys. All content is just totally for free, but we have to play by YouTube algorithm. So take a look the INA today, Edify, and the BOM. So I want to show you the updates. Technically, Edify and the BOM looks much more better than INA because INA already pumped it. You remember that hype, so Trump family started accumulating INA. I don't like this. I don't like any token with that synthetic stable coins. Everything was around stable coins. I don't like it because stable coins are not regulated. At any single moment they can regulate, ban that stable coin, and the token and the stable coin go into zero. Just because of regulation. All right, so guys, just be careful with that tokens which build the utility around the stablecoin, just in case. What is good now with INA? Technically, you remember this indication accumulation pump model. This is a bit get. Let me show you on the Binance. I guess on the Binance it was a low, higher price target for listing. It was 30 cents. That's why on a bit get. It was here 30 cents, it's 20 cents. So take a look. This was invalidation of idea. We just a sweep. Listing price on a BitGet, bounce, and around here, you remember my story. So I bought it around here, sell it here, and miss all this, right? Sometimes it's happened, but guys, and I sold not like withdraw my initial deposit. I sold everything for a 70% profit on the spot. And yes, I missed the ride because I'm out too early from INA at 41 cents around, and we top it at $1.32. So technically the levels are relevant. We are now in the okay zone for accumulation again. So it was this block, and this is absolutely the same block. Next one, if we will drop based on this model, guys, it's this block, and 87 cents, 87, 93.05. It's okay zone for fixation profit. I don't think so. This was the end of cycle for INA, like $1.51. Technically, we can start from the global double bottom, right? So like 1, 2, it's not a cup and handle, right? So it can be the double bottom now, and the size of that double bottom will be around, I don't know, probably $2.50, $2.80. So around here, around $3, more than real to see, yes. So it's not a big deal, right? If we trade it $1.50 to pump to $3, let's say. Everybody starts screaming, we go into the moon to $10, $5, 20, and all of that stuff, guys. Is it possible? Yes, of course. But the same way, it's possible to drop and form the new invalidation under 20 cents. So guys, everything possible. It's only up to you where to accumulate. Now, technically, it's good time for accumulation. If we check months and frame, what is bad? If we not hold the line here, next month we can open again at and drop to 28 cents 73 and form the gap here. I hope not, and I hope we are ready like drop and next impulse absorb all this downtrend. So I hope because monthly time frame more important than weekly or the daily. So let's check with indicator SAB what's going on with the TINA now. Technically, this is still AFRIA mode. It's kind of bad. Let's be real, it's kind of bad. IDZ in accumulation, direction, yes, we come down, so no signal for accumulation now, main one on direction. But at least ADZ is in a good zone. So money power, trade on. It was a buy. Here why I'm buying, here why I'm selling, but I trade on the daily, right? So here. It was a logical entry. So I'm buying around here and then sell and we dump and I'm not buying back. So it was my mistake. So sometimes it's happened. Here, sell, main signal to sell. Let's drop no new signal to buy. So let's add alert to buy. Maybe we will see this one. Trade on, buy. Here was a signal, so the whales fixed the profit. So here, take a look. Before at 68 cents, they start fix the profit. 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a row, they fix the profit. So this is a trap, you know. That's why I recommend you to use this set so you can find out what the whales do now. Take a look. It was a signal to buy. Here was a fixation profit. 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a row. Fixation profit. Take profit signal from this signal to buy, and you get out and open short, for example. Of course, it's just in theory, but you could if you track everything by yourself with my custom microset. Now we dump it. Here was money inflow. Now no new money inflow. It's kind of bad. And you know what is the worst in this situation is we waste a lot of time. We just waste a lot of time with this altcoins. With take profit indicator, we trade on the fundamental volume, buy line 54.63, take profit $1.07, exit line $1.22. We will see. I hope this is last. We can see the last dump to 32.31, but I hope not, and start recover back from these current prices. So for Athena, I showed you in theory, yes, we can hit that $3. ETFI, all targets relevant, still not invalidated idea because still not drop on the listing price. Take a look how the price respect the level where accumulated token, and the zone of fixation will be absolutely still the same. So guys, I highly recommend you go and watch all of that videos after listing, you know, because I almost all of that videos I posted on the next day after listing, because we need only one single daily candle close to understand the next price movement. Yes, believe it or not. So this is, it was a test. Lowest point was 80 cents. And most likely we will drop again and sweep that low. If not, yes, we can hold the line at 46 or even now 96 and go higher. Higher, I mean here, 364, 388, it's okay zone for fixation. And yes, we got all chances to hit new all-time high. We will see. But now, guys, everything's still relevant. Invalidation, of course, if we dump under 23 cents. Pretty good one. ADZ direction market mood. This is on the middle box, right? So we can drop much lower. But I hope we will see the reversal move on the next week, for example. And this is definitely not a top of the top where we need to out of this socket and distribute. Technically, this is just indication and accumulation zone. So in the March 2025 will be 1 year like we trade in accumulation zone. And we came into this belief capitulations area here. 1, 2 weeks, and we trade in capitulation zone. So a lot of times, you know, I read the comments when people say, "Oh, why you use that indicators? They doesn't work." Guys, of course they work. You could track at least even the market move. So how the people trade, why they in area, why they in capitulation, and it's not random. So we trade a long time period, right? And only now after the year, nobody could predict. So we will trade one day in the capitulation zone. So here we are, 2 weeks finally after the year we trade in that mood. So that's why how you can adjust it to your trading strategy. Buy, bounce, buy, sell. It's a daily. Take profit from sell here, this one, and signal to buy. Maybe we'll see another one, signal to buy. So like you can see, the chart's totally different, not like Athena. And the last indicator is take profit. Definitely money power, by the way, also. Take profit, yes. Like many other tokens, guys, absolutely almost the same situation. We trade around fundamental value, take a buy line $1.25, exit line 243, exit line 277. Everything pretty simple. Daily, it was a money inflow, not on that candle, on this candle. You have to understand it. Pump, drop, no new money inflow, nothing. Weekly time frame here, money inflow, yes, it's a good one. So we can say $1.01. It's a more than comfortable price in average for the whales. Invalidation, you know, boom, BOM, it's not an initiation accumulation pump model because daily time frame, take a look, this is daily candle. We use this just a range. So you remember for BOM, we used just a range. So it was okay zone to buy. If you bought it here, you could fix it 61. Guys, safety strategy after 100%, usually better withdraw initial deposits on a high risky assets. Can we drop and the sweep of that listing price on the max, which was March 2024? It was like 0.201151. Of course, it's possible. So in percentage gains, it can be like 41%. Base it on what and why we should drop so low, I have no idea, and I hope we will not drop so low. So I hope we will see that top of the top, it's around 3 cents 51, 3 cents 77, this one, and potential targets like 4 cents 78. It can be like, oh, it's not a big deal, but let's say from these current prices, it can be like 2,000% gains and 2,500% gains. So just in case, guys, everything possible to see. And like you can see, all of this a drop based on Solana crash. But I still believe the Sol will hit the new all-time high. And yes, I still believe in one more leg up on Sol meme tokens. Finally, take a look all this time period since listing on the max. It's a free year. And now we're just 3 weeks in a row we trade in the capitulation zone. So this is a low, this is a low, but the divergence is a good one. So it's more bullish than bearish cases now to buy. Direction we lay down on the bottom. But guys, we talk about a spot. So just in case. Take a look at the money power, trade on. Take a look, this is 2 weeks in a row money inflow. It's a good one. This was signals to buy, bounce, 140% profit. This is signals to buy. Great one. Here's buy money inflow, RSI bullish divergence. It's good on a daily, and I hope we will see the really good reversal move like this one. So one green candle. Yes, so don't be greedy or accumulate, for example, now or on a sweep of listing price, but not here. So you have to understand, right? Everything should be in time. And the last indicator is take profit. No data on weekly. And take a look on the daily. I guess it's going to be the under fundamental value. Yes, we trade way under fundamental value. So this one, fundamental value of BOM now it's 0.2025. Buy line on the daily 0.2034. Take profit 0.2068, exit line 0.2077. So this is the targets. And of course, my main targets is here. So guys, we are just in accumulation here. Nothing special. And the good moment you saw, we are in the capitulation zone on the market mood on the weekly time frame. It's really bullish signal. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Write us in a comment what is next 5 or 7 altcoins you would like to see analysis. Write us in a comment below. If you would like to trade with my customer code, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, his like button, his notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.